Good morning. This is Philip Thornton, and this is a attempt to do a video for YouTube. It's going to be a cooking video. This morning I am going to make French toast. I have my cinnamon, my eggs, most important thing of all, some sugar, and let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna crack 3 eggs. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. Add a little bit of cinnamon to it. Not much, just enough to give it some cinnamon taste, and then we're going to do some sugar. There we go, just a little bit of sugar. I've never done this before with sugar and cinnamon. I usually just use eggs, but I seen a video of a YouTube video of them doing that, so I think I may have done just a teeny bit too much cinnamon, but we'll see here in a second. So I'm gonna mix this all up. Try not to get any stringies from the eggs. Looking good. Okay, and I got a hot plate here that I'm gonna be cooking on. I love my hot plate. So I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna get it nice and warm. I use Fahrenheit. Let's put it at about 250. Throw some butter in there. Use all 100% real butter, as you can see. And there we go. Now I gotta get one other thing. Handy dandy spatula. Yep. So I've been doing a bunch of jokes and stuff, and I decided I was going to try doing a video of cooking video. Right now this is just a temporary thing. I'm just trying to see how it comes out with this format. What I'm planning on doing is I got some recipes I'm going to try that I've never done before, never cooked them before at all. I got them off of YouTube. I've been watching YouTube videos, as you know, for a while. And if you don't know, I have been. And what I plan on doing is making videos of me cooking videos. And what we can do is we can do videos of me cooking your recipes. You guys can send me recipes if you want, and I will cook them and, you know, put it on YouTube. Who knows? I mean, could be something good, could be something not so good. You know, it's just something I want to try. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube that people with less talent than me making videos. So I thought, well, why not try this? And then if it gets good enough and everything, get enough subscribers to the videos, people can give me money and we can do videos of I can use that money to buy food and stuff to make the video of us doing a recipe that you may have that you want to do. It's called Patreon. Okay, so I'm flipping this over. Little browns there. I love this. Did I say that already? No, I do. I love this little cooker. So nice. It's simple. It's easy to clean. You know, if you don't have one, I see a lot of people that have them in their stoves. I got a gas stove at my house, which is here, and I like this better actually. I mean, the gas stove's good if you're gonna take your tortilla and warm them up and everything, but you can't beat the convection oven, man. This thing is just, it gets hot like, ooh, that. 2 minutes. You can see how it's very hot now. So, you know, I just flip this over a couple of times. Yeah. As you can see, I am videotaping this on my cell phone. I got it on selfie mode, so that's what I'm doing with that. And maybe later on I can figure out another way of doing it, because if I get up from this, you're gonna walk away. You're just gonna hear my voice, you're not gonna see me. And knowing that's not very good. That's very amateurish, and we can't do that. So I'm gonna have to come up with another way of doing it. So like I said, this is all just experimental. There's nothing to this. I mean, so I'm flipping this over once more. It's almost done on this side. I got 2 more I'm gonna put in there. You can leave down in the comments of what you think about this video. I know I get a lot of people commenting on my bad jokes. They don't like them. But I get a lot of people commenting on how good they are too. Maybe I'll get the same thing with this. I don't know. But like I said, this is just a test. This isn't the real thing. This is just to see how everything comes out and what people think about it, you know? So far it's kind of dumb, I think. And who knows? But I'm gonna try. Like I said, I've seen a lot of people out there with less talent than I doing this, but they don't do cooking videos. There's a lot of all the videos I've seen are good cooking videos. I'm not gonna say nothing bad against them, but I see a lot of bad videos out there as far as people doing reaction videos of songs. They're taking the people's music and they're using it to make profit off of. You know, it's good and bad. It's good in a way that the people who are doing the videos, the music videos, are getting their videos played. But the bad thing is it's also copyrighted, and people are trying to make money off of other people's copyright, which isn't right. That's not done yet. Got a little bit more to do. Probably should add more butter, but I don't feel like getting it. Excuse me. It is now it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Haven't been asleep yet. So this is what we're doing. Most of you guys probably use syrup. That would be the conventional way of doing it. Even put butter on there. I'm not a butter syrup type of guy. I love to eat my French toast with strawberry jam. And if I had some, I would use strawberry syrup. But we are out of strawberry syrup, so I'm going to just use jam. And there's my 4th toast. And I think we can say we are done. So with that, I'm going to turn my top off. And you guys have a good day.